Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have a quick video showing some new products from Spellbinders, and all of these items are currently available. I do have links in the description box if you're interested in any of the items. And I will be sharing a video soon using the new products, but I thought I would show them in case you're interested. Then you'll be ready when I share my card video. The first item is a new Guillotine paper trimmer. Now I love my current Guillotine paper trimmer, but I thought it would be fun to have a smaller size. The cutting length with this trimmer is 8.5 inches and the cutting width is 6.25 inches. I've gone ahead and removed the trimmer from the packaging, and I do want to mention I forgot to take off the clear protective film, so make sure to do that if you pick up this trimmer. There are some nice safety features. One is the locking handle. At the bottom of the blade handle, it does lock into place. There's a tiny little stopper and it fits right inside the main trimmer. And to unlock it, you gently pull the blade handle to the right and then lift up the blade. There's a permanent grid printed right on the trimmer base for 1/4 inch measurements, and it has the measurements in both inches and also centimeters. The trimmer also has a finger guard, so you can protect those fingers while you're cutting out your paper. I did a quick test with the trimmer using some scrap cardstock. It cuts nice and clean and straight, and that always makes me happy. On the bottom of the trimmer, there are rubberized feet, and that'll help hold the trimmer in place when you're using it. I'm excited to try out the new trimmer in one of my card videos. The other items I have are some of the new Bayfair collection. I have the Bayfair card making kit, which includes 4 different products. There's a 6x6 paper pad, a button embellishment pack, Puffy stickers, and also chipboard embellishments. You can purchase the kit that includes all 4 of the items, or you can purchase them individually. And there's also a scrapbooking kit with 12x12 paper and some other items, which again, you can purchase everything individually. I have the card making kit, so I'll show you the items that are included. Here's a look at the button pack. There are 12 different pieces. And these are basically thick button stickers. They have foam on the back. The next item is a sheet of Puffy stickers. There are lots of beautiful images plus sentiments, and the colors match beautifully with the paper pad. There's also a pack of chipboard embellishments, and it includes 2 different sheets. Again, lots of beautiful icons and sentiments, and they all coordinate together. The items in this kit are very similar to the card kits that Spellbinders used to offer a few years ago. Now here's a look at the 6x6 paper pad called Bayfair. There are 40 sheets, 20 designs, so you'll get 2 of each design, and 6 of the papers have beautiful foil detail. Kind of hard to see in the video, but it's really pretty. The 12x12 version is the same design, just on a larger scale, and it includes 20 sheets instead of 40 sheets in the 6x6 paper pad. I'll flip through the paper pad quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. Lots of beautiful florals, there's geometric patterns, lovely colors, red, blue, greens, and pinks. I think with a variety of different designs in the paper pad, you'll be able to make feminine and also some masculine cards, which is always nice. Here's a sheet with lots of different words: bloom, hugs, smile, enjoy, memorable, lovely, delight. There are polka dots, stripes, tone-on-tone designs, and lots of florals. The paper weight for this 6x6 paper pad is 120 GSMs. So I think it's a little bit thicker than the previous paper pads that were in Spellbinders card kits. Another item I received that's part of the Bayfair collection is the Diecut Cardstock Ephemera pack. This is not part of the card making kit and is available for purchase individually. I won't take all of the die cut images out, but I did zoom in a little bit closer so you can get an idea of what's included. There are a total of 136 pieces, and many of them have beautiful gold foil finish on them. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links in the description box below. And coming soon, I will be sharing a card video using the new Bayfair collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.